day for full-time university and college student, a student is 3.5 hours of education activities a day. As college students on a daily basis, we need to read and comprehend many subjects. And being able to read faster is one of the key of success. Reading fast is not easy, but possible. Jim Quinn is the creator of Film Learning, a website that teaches how to read fast. He taught himself learning strategies to read after a childhood brain injury left him impaired. He is one of the examples I follow since I also had some brain injury a couple of years ago. Good morning, everyone. My name is Susana, and today I will share the 3 steps to learning to read fast. These are reading with your mind, avoiding regression, and uses fragment reading. Although I used to think reading aloud is a good way to read, using a pencil in your mouth not to read aloud can be more efficient. When we are reading aloud, we apply subvocalization, which slows us down. What is a subvocalization? It's when you say the words you are reading. Subvocalization plays an important role while we are reading. People can easily disturb themselves, and you can disturb others. A person will use more energy also saying words, and eventually you will get more tired when using only your mind. When you talk aloud, you use not only your eyes, your brain, but also your mouth and ears. One way to save energy while reading is putting a pencil in your mouth. Techniques like the pencil in your mouth will double your reading. Next, I will talk about regression. Now let's go to regression. There are many of us who might start reading a book, and then suddenly we don't know where we are. This is regression. That's regression. Regression is a result of not fully concentrating while we are reading. That's the meaning of regression. The way I concentrate the most is reading in a quiet place. I also practice mindfulness daily. I meditate in the morning, and that helps me a lot to calm down and be ready for my day. To avoid regression, you can use a piece of cardboard. Cover the line of the paragraph you just read. Practice reading daily also as well. Like I will show you an example of how to cover while you're reading right here. Second, and that will be is useful for me. Also practice reading daily. Reading newspaper titles backwards as well with a mirror in front of you. This is start right here, right? And then keep going. That will help you a lot. Now, breaking the habit of going back over the same reading was a decision I had to take in order to improve my reading. Lastly, I will talk about fragment reading. My third technique uses fragment reading. It becomes easier reading in fragments instead of word by word. We can scan and skim while we are reading. While scanning, you can understand the material structure easily. State the specific information you are reading. You have to state what are we looking there, a specific idea. And then skimming help us find. While scanning is when you are distracted. What distracted you are? Skimming help us find the specific information I'm looking for. What we do with the skimming help us, when skimming, read the first and last sentence always. Look at the introduction and then the summary. See few examples until you understand the concept. Shakespeare told us to feel what we are reading. Instead of saying the words, imagine what you are reading. Relate the fragments with your own experience. Allow your brain to increase your imagination. In conclusion, read only with your mind instead of reading aloud, using your mind in fragments of information rather than word by word. And avoiding duration are three techniques to effectively read fast.